And we are talking about the fate of Title 42. It is currently in limbo as the Supreme Court delays lifting the pandemic-era restriction on border crossings. Title 42 has allowed the government to keep migrants out of the United States, citing a risk to public health.
Right now, San Diego is still preparing for an influx of migrants, and CBS 8's Dana Marie McNichol is live at the Ped West crossing now to break this down for us this morning. Good morning.
Well, good morning, Eric. And like you said, yes, San Diego is preparing as we look to other cities like El Paso was already declared a state of emergency. They say they have a growing number of migrants huddled together in the cold, packing their shelters right now. Now, we heard from the White House press secretary about how they're looking for lawmakers to make a little bit more of a change, and they need their help. Take a listen.
We need Congress to give us the funds we've requested to do this in a safe, orderly, and humane way.
Now, they say $3.5 billion is needed to streamline the asylum process, hire more Border Patrol agents, and improve surveillance along the border. The help, they say, is stuck in Washington in a gridlock as the nation waits. Now, the policy put in place under former President Donald Trump let the U.S. expel hundreds of thousands of migrants on public health concerns during the pandemic. But Monday afternoon, the Supreme Court temporarily blocked Title 42 from ending amid challenges from local lawmakers along the border who they say they're worried they're even more overwhelmed. Now, parts of the Biden administration's plan to handling this influx includes busing people to cities like Denver and New York City. In the meantime, San Diego Congressman Darrell Issa is urging the White House to extend Title 42. In a statement, Issa says in part, quote, "This crisis will go into overdrive. Tens of thousands of migrants have surged our borders." In anticipation of the end of Title 42 as an easier path than ever to circumvent our immigration laws. Now, looking ahead, as of this morning, Title 42 will stay in effect until the Supreme Court says otherwise. The White House has until 2 p.m. today to respond. So, of course, we've been following this very closely and will continue to do so on further editions of CBS 8 News. I'm Dana Marie McNichol, coming to you live from San Ysidro.